Good morning. Oh, I forgot to do the spiderweb dance till it was too late. Now I think I got cobwebs like across my face. But I don't know. I feel like I have them stuck. They were stuck in my eyelashes. Normally when I walk out in the mornings, when I walk out, especially this time of year, I wave my arms like this in front of me as I'm walking out to the car, because the spider webs, they usually like are across the entry to the porch. I forgot to do it this morning. Oh, I'm tired, y'all. No, I'm not. That's just a habit to say that. I don't really feel that tired at all. I really don't. I feel pretty damn good today, actually. Oh shit, let me, before I drive away, yep, there it is. Had to make sure I have my antibiotics with me. Because I'm actually doing a lot better now. A lot better. Still a lot of ringing in this ear, and stuff still doesn't sound quite right. This one's clear. This one just still doesn't sound right. It sounds hollow or something. I don't know. And I'm still hearing the sounds beneath the sounds. The noise beneath the noise. I don't know. Oh, but I do feel a lot better. Took my son up to urgent care last night because I thought he had the same thing. He didn't. He just has like, they said it was either a cold or the flu. They said take some NyQuil. I don't know. Really? Is that what they said? Yeah. So anyway, he's not sick the way that me and my dad were. Which is good. Which is good. Okay. Stop sign. I'm gonna stop. We're gonna get a close-up. We're gonna get a close-up of my new claws. New set of claws. My 4th of July claws. Almost just now hit a fucking bird. I'm telling you, them damn birds, they got a death wish. Almost hit him. They need to start paying attention. Oh, it's really foggy today, too. Foggy and rainy. It's going to be dreary all day. But the humidity is going to be sky high. I'm so happy. Oh, I left my pop in the refrigerator. That's okay. It's not like I'm not on my way to where the pop lives. Damn, that's a lot of fog. It's already 70 degrees. 6 o'clock in the morning, 70 degrees. Shit, I feel like I'm back in Oklahoma. Spring in Oklahoma. Oh, the devil's fucking crotch. Devil's ball sack is what I call it. Devil's ball sack, or the devil's crotch, because it's hot. It is hot and humid there, like unbelievably. hot and humid there. Every time I drive by, I look at that piece of land right there. Fucking nerd. There's a piece of land right here. I'm not sure exactly how big it is, but it's a nice looking piece of land. Lots of woods, lots of trees. Okay, get out of the goddamn street, stupid birds. Thank you. I don't know what the fuck are they eating in the street? Who knows? Wow, this fog is thick up here. Shit. Up on this mountain. Fuck. It's my Friday. It's my Friday. Let's hope I can hold out. Oh, I figured out why I'm sad on Saturdays. Coffee. For the last couple days, last few days, I've been having a cup of coffee, either at lunch or at break or whatever. Coffee. And I had coffee and I didn't feel sad. Okay. I don't know. Maybe it's just a coincidence, but why am I yawning so much? Right after I said I don't really feel that tired. I really don't, though. That's the... Oh! Where'd the little bunny go? Is that him? Okay. Bunny ran out in front of me. My ears are popping. Really hungry. I hope they have my chocolate croissants, you guys, because they haven't had them for the last week and a half, 2 weeks or something. I'm not happy about that. I've been having to eat other stuff for breakfast. Stuff that I don't really want, but I'm hungry, so I ate it because it was the least offensive thing I could get. I don't know. I like them, though. It's my favorite breakfast. And of course, I'll have Pop-Tarts. Why wouldn't I be? I don't know. I don't really have anything to talk about. I really don't. No song of the day either. Oh, well, yeah, kind of. Kind of. But I've already posted it once, so I'm not going to post it again. I'll just tell it to you. BTS. Not today. I sing that one a lot, it seems like. Anytime anyone starts anything. Not today. Not today. That's my message to the world. Not today. No, not today. Oh, shit. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this here because I got nothing really to talk about. Just checking in. I thought something would enter my brain, but apparently, it being my Friday, my brain has decided that, yeah, it doesn't really want to do that much today. I'll probably leave early. I usually do on Sunday. So, if anything interesting happens, or funny, or maddening, because, you know, that's always a possibility, I'll check in with you another time, and do your best, try not to die, and thanks for coming, bye.